Hi friends, this is Ananya. Welcome back to my channel ये मेरी ज़िंदगी. Hope you all are fine and doing good. So आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग एंड बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है बिकॉज इट्स कॉइन कलेक्शन वीडियो. मेरा हमेशा से हॉबी रहा है कॉइन कलेक्शन. सो आज यहाँ पे एट नैल्को दामनजोड़ी क्लब कॉइन कलेक्शन का एग्जीबिशन लगा है. सो मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ और चलिए आप सबको भी मैं घुमाती हूँ. जिसको भी कॉइन कलेक्शंस पसंद है विल श्योरली लव दिस वीडियो. सो वॉच टिल द एंड. सो फ्रेंड्स ये देखिए अभी हम लोग नैल्को क्लब पहुँच गए हैं. ये कुछ इस तरीके का है हमारा क्लब. ये मैं आपको ओवरऑल व्यू दिखा रही हूँ नैल्को क्लब का. तो चलिए अब अंदर चलते हैं. So now we have already reached the coin collection point. So let's get started.
I am Fernandez. I worked in railways as a switch engineer. I retired in the year of 2008 and I worked in abroad also in Africa in private railways for 5.5 years. Then now at present I am working in Unite as an electrical foreman in diesel locomotion.
Uncle,
And
so from where, when did you start
okay.
the collections?
Yes. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Anantapur district, Puntakal town, nearer to the Puttaparthi. And on 17th we started this exhibition with permission of ED Nalco, and it is continued for 6 days. Today is the last day.
So uncle, is it your hobby? Means
Yes,
coin
this
collection?
is my hobby. This is my hobby. Since from 50 years I am collecting these coins and notes, India and foreign.
Okay, so this thing is to be noted that uncle is
And-
collecting coins since 50 years.
Yes, this is 50 years. And we got one society named Numismatic Society of Rayalaseema in Anantapur. We got so many members in that, and each person is variety collection will be is there.
Okay, uncle, so let's get started directly towards the coin collection.
And these are the British India coins. These are the British India coins. In 1835, William IV ruled the India. At that time, they got 1 rupee, half rupee, and quarter rupee.
Okay.
And she is the Victoria Queen.
Okay.
And here they have written Victoria here and Queen this side. Whereas in this coin, Victoria and Queen is combined.
Okay.
That's why these coins are going to call cut legend, and these coins are going to call continuous legend.
Okay.
And
Nice.
next, she is the Victoria Empress. Because Queen is not so good, that's why they gone for Empress.
Okay.
Empress promotion, maybe promotion.
Okay.
And these are the silver coins. This is 1 rupee, half rupee, quarter rupee, and this is the 1/8 rupee. On those days, 1/8 rupee also with silver coin.
Okay.
Many currency coins: 1 NP, 2 NP, 3 NP, 5 NP, 10 NP, 20 NP, and 25 paisa and 50 paisa, and these are also 50 paisa. Varieties of 1 rupee, 1 rupee, and these are the varieties of 2 rupees coins, and these are the varieties of 5 rupees coins, and these are the varieties of 10 rupees coins. Most of the coins are commemorative coins. It is not going to use for circulating purpose, and these are the coins for commemorative only. And Mint is going to print limited. Who are all wants that no coins. 2 rupees commemorative coins. These are the 50 rupees commemorative coins. This is 60 and this is 75, and these are the 100 rupees coins. And this is the 120 rupees commemorative coin, and these are the 150 rupees commemorative coin of Brihadishwara temple from Chennai, and this is the Sri Jagannath Navaratri Festival 2015.
Okay.
1000 years celebration.
Beautiful.
For that they
Beautiful.
released.
Yes.
And the great person and birth centenary in 2016, 100 rupees coin release.
Beautiful, beautiful. Vishen, let me show the overall exhibition.
American gold dollars. These are the special coins on the independence of 200 years celebration. They have released this bell dollar and half dollar and quarter dollar. And these are the United Kingdom pounds. And these are the euro coins, different countries euro coins. 1, 2, 3 euro coins. And these are the 1 rupee varieties of coins. This is the 1 rupee last note of the British emperors.
Okay.
This is the last note of British emperors. And these are our Indian notes. And these are the varieties of 12 rupees notes. And this is the last note of British emperor.
Okay.
And these are the 5 rupees notes. And this is the Vatican City Pope coins. And these are the France coins. And these are the Pakistan coins.
Okay. Pakistan
Pakistan.
coins.
These are the
Bangladesh coins.
And these are the Sri Lanka.
Sri Lankan coins.
Yes, these are the Nepal.
Nepal coins.
And these are the varieties of 10 rupees.
Of the respective countries,
Yes.
no?
These are the 10 rupees. Old notes with a bigger size. And these are the smaller size.
Okay.
And these are the varieties of 20 rupees notes. And this is the Thailand note.
Okay.
60-year celebration. Their money is baht. 60 baht. They released 73. They released this 50 rupees note. This is the Parliament House.
Okay.
And by mistake, without flag, they released this note.
Okay.
And they corrected in 1978 with flag.
Okay, nice.
These are the 50 rupees.
I hope I have captured it correctly. Okay.
Gold under 1950 and 54 and 59 and 64. And these are all 100 rupees varieties notes. And these are the Maldives and Bhutan coins. And these are horoscopic coins released by Somalia.
Okay.
Okay. And this is the
You can see all the horoscopic signs over here.
and these are the Central African coins. And these are the 500 rupees varieties of notes. And this is the 1000 rupees note banned by Modi. And this is the old 1000 rupees notes. And this is the specimen note of 5000. And this is the specimen note of 10,000.
Okay, these are all fancy notes.
ओरिजिनल है ना
100%.
हाँ
100%. Now here is the cement.
Yes.
This is in this fancy notes. 71 hour serial first note. 1 to 10.
Okay.
10 to 100. And 100 to 1000. And 1000 to 10,000. And 10,000 to 1 lakh. 1 lakh to 10 lakhs.
Okay, nice.
These
Beautiful.
are the and these are all fancy. And these are the president coins. Every president is having $1 coin.
Okay.
George Washington is the first president, and Obama now at present.
Commemorative coins.
These are the tables for children. Now here, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20. Like
Okay,
that. Up to coins are there. Actually, I had to put here coins by removing this paper, and you can see like this. Plastic notes, but we have to call polymer notes.
Okay.
Polymer notes. This is the Australian notes, and these are the Canada notes, and these are the New Zealand, and these are the Chile, and these are the Guatemala notes, and these are the Mozambique and Ukraine notes. They are fighting together. Here
Yes,
they are.
yes.
Cuba is a world costly note. Each dinar is going to cost 250 rupees. For example, 20 dinars means it is going to cost 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
And next, little cheaper is United Kingdom notes, pounds. Each pound is going to cost nearly 100 rupees. The euro notes. And these are the American dollar notes. American dollar, 1 to maximum 100 rupees, $100
Okay.
note. These are the West African notes. And these are the Central African notes. West Africa and Central Africa is going to cover 14 countries.
Okay.
And this is the Guinea, African country. And he is the Gaddafi, Libya's president.
Yes. Okay.
And he is Saddam Hussein, Iraq president.
Yes.
Both are killed by American
Okay.
soldiers. And this is the Zimbabwe, one of the inflation country.
Yes.
And their money is here. You can see $100 trillion.
Wow.
That in our language, 1 crore dollars.
Wow.
And like that, another country is there, Yugoslavia. Their money also 50,000 crores money. And this is South Africa. South Africa, old notes are with animals. Now Nelson Mandela notes are. And this is the Nigeria. And this is the Ghana. And he is the Bhutan king.
Yes.
During marriage period, they released one commemorative note with 100 nuclear commemorating the royal wedding October 2011.
Nice.
And this is the Iran. And Mauritius also one country is there in Africa, nearer to India. Their money also going to call rupees.
Okay.
Like that, Seychelles, this is also in Africa. Their money also called rupees.
Okay.
And this is Maldives. Their money also going to call rupiah.
Okay.
And this is Fiji, special note released with 7 digits.
Okay.
And this is the Zaire country. At present, it is not there. It is divided into 2 countries, and their money also separate. And this is Portugal, and this is Kenya, Africa, and this is the Indonesia. Their 80% people are Muslims, but their symbol is Garuda. Their symbol is Garuda. And here 20,000. Their money also rupiah. Their money also rupiah. 20,000 note. You can see the Ganesh.
Okay. Nice.
From it is going to start 2 Bolivars, their money is,
Okay.
and it is going to end 1 lakh. This is the 1 lakh. 100 sin mil means 1 lakh.
Okay.
That is the only thing. And this is the commemorative Antarctica and Arctic. Antarctic.
So friends, I hope you liked today's coin collection video. If you like, then don't forget to share, subscribe and like my channel, that is ये मेरी ज़िंदगी. Hope हम लोग फिर नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में मिलेंगे. तब तक खुश रहिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए, अपना तो खास कर. And I give all thanks to uncle, auntie.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you.